So in Excel, we often need to work out percentages. And percentages are quite easily calculated using a straightforward division. If we take this example here where we have some information on students and their attendance in class. So we have 7 students and we'll work out how many classes they've been in and then from that their percentage attendance. So one of the main things we need to factor in when carrying out this calculation is how many classes they've actually undertaken. So we do a quick count function. So we use count, and we can only use it on numbers, find out how many classes there's been, and there's 3 in this case. And now we find out how many classes each student has been in. So we do a quick sum calculation, or an auto sum, where we add up all the classes they have attended. We can autofill that, it will tell us that information for all students, and now we can work out the percentage. So we put in our equals, and we're going to take what each student has attended and divide it by the overall number of classes. That gives us a decimal of 0.666, convert it to a percentage, which will be roughly 67%, and we can try and autofill it, but we have a mistake in our calculation. Just to keep an eye on our calculation, our percentage value is actually in F27, but it's not shown up as F27 in our calculations underneath the first calculation. So we need to delete those, go back to our first calculation and change this value so that it is always locked and every cell gets divided by F27, which is where the number of classes are. So here we insert $ signs. So we can type them in one either side of the F, or we can hit F4 on the keyboard once we have the cell highlighted. So this will lock the cell. All of the attendance values are now divided by 3, and that gives us the overall percentage attendance for each student.